Are you dreaming of becoming a school principal? The National Assessment for School Heads, or NASH, is your gateway. But passing is not easy unless you know the secrets. In this video, we're about to reveal how are we going to help you succeed. Look at these achievers. They made it. They didn't rely on luck, they just prepared, smart. And guess what? You can do the same. With the right tools and guidance, your name could be one of those list of success stories. We have here who gets 66.68, in which she is a prospective candidate to entry-level school principal position, subject to assessment and evaluation of the prescribed qualification standards. So she is the 25.6% of those who take the NASH for the first batch. Most aspirants fail because they lack structured review materials. Searching online waste your time and energy. That's why we created a NASH reviewer. Everything you need in one place, designed to help you pass with confidence. First taker, but she passed the NASH. Here's what you're going to get. This is the comprehensive coverage of the NASH topics. We have practice questions with answers, Mac A, Mac B, Mac C, and D. And we have also the golden Mac test. We have tips and strategies in the final coaching. This is just not a reviewer, it's also a roadmap to your success. Are you ready to take the next step? Download your NAS Reviewer PDF today and start preparing like a pro. Don't wait. Your future as a school principal will start now. What are you waiting for? Get exclusive bundle review materials when you purchase within the limited time. So grab your copy before the promo ends. Click the link below to our WhatsApp number and secure your success in the National Assessment for School Heads. Thank you and mabuhay.